my name is Marta Path, and I'm a holistic health practitioner, Reiki master teacher, and the owner of Alternative Healer Toronto. Today we are at the Spoke Club, and we had an inner goddess workshop and meditation where we focused on getting in touch with our feminine energies and being a woman. Now, if you'd like to attend, we have a wonderful single ladies event coming up. It's an 8-session series starting March 29th, every last Thursday of the month. And it focuses on helping women with group coaching and allowing them to find their soulmate in 2018. I focus on clearing the energies, helping women with letting go of the past, and also some of the other energetic clearing, like feeling happy with our body. I work on these sessions with a dating coach.
Hi, my name is Maria Espinosa, and I am a relationship strategist and a sexual empowerment coach. And together with Marta Papp, we have created this group called Single and Fabulous. And this is for women who are looking to meet Mr. Awesome this year. And so basically what it is Marta comes in and she talks about balancing chakras and clearing energies and clearing any sort of obstacle that may be in your way energetically. And then I come in and I talk about how to really own your sexy, like how to walk the walk and talk the talk, how to flirt with guys, how to pick them up without actually picking them up. And then we go on and talk about more things like how to understand guys. What does it mean when they say this, this, and that? What does it mean when they ghost? Basically anything and everything on how to navigate the dating world. So join us the last Thursday of every month. We go to different spots every month to keep it fresh because we're looking for new guys every single month. Okay, so every single month, last Thursday, check out the website here. Take care.